Hi there, I'm Lisa from Lollipop Box Club, and today I am unboxing this new December kit. It's called Chase Your Dreams and it's being sent to you next week. This is the kit. It's all about getting ready for 2019, goal setting and chasing our dreams. You can see the colour theme already. So let's have a look at this really cute kit. There's lots of tissue paper and confetti. Ideal for you to use. I like to believe that everything inside this kit can be used. There's lots of little packages inside. I don't open all the packages when I do an unboxing, as I like you to receive lots of surprises, so there will be elements here that I'm not opening. I've popped two to one side there, but you can have a close-up of this. Isn't she sweet? This is our planner clip this month. She's squidgy. And she's sparkly too. I just love her with the little dangly stars. She'll look absolutely gorgeous in your planners this month. And obviously the tag there you can reuse as well. I'm trying a few different things at the moment. You may have noticed there's some different things happening each month. This month you've got a notepad. Let me know what you think. These are brand new to Lollipop Box Club. And I'm giving them a go to see what you think. Our very own notepads to coordinate with the kits this month. So leave your comment below. Let me know, is it a thumbs up or not? Can you see yourself using this little notepad when you receive your kit? I'll open the die cuts in just a moment. I'm excited to show you this Chase Your Dreams pen. It's a biro, black ink. Really, really happy. I know a few of you have said that you've missed the pens, so they are back this month. We've got a two-piece stamp. The stamps are designed by Skull and Crossbuns. Really, really happy. You've got the scribbled ring there, which you can stamp and then journal inside, or write little comments inside your planners. And you've got the stars then, which is a separate stamp to decorate. And on the back, you've got my artwork there, so you can also reuse that. Naturally, you've got a lollipop. I think these are raspberry flavour, these ones, or they might be blueberry maybe, I can't remember. Got a stencil this month. This is a feather stencil. Really, really love that. This will look amazing on your creative projects. Can you imagine that actually in your journals, in your creative journals? That will look so cool with you documenting what your dreams are going to be coming for 2019. We've also got, let's move the confetti. We've got this sticker sheet exclusively designed by Blossom Nose Co. Really, really love these. Again, just so perfect for this kit and getting us ready for the new year. Let's open the die cuts. These are always my favourites. You've got some really cool ones this month. These are from Happy Scatter. I've dropped a few there. We've got moons, we've got goals, we've got, daydreams, we've got arrows. These are so cool for title work. Tags, you can see all sorts. There's loads. We've even got a rainbow in there. Got this year, got a little dream catcher. That's always my favourite. I always get through loads, generally 2 or 3 packets a month on different projects. For that reason, I do actually have add-ons each month. Things like the die cuts and the stickers, those where you feel like you need extra pieces. You can buy these separately. They get popped in your kit. They're in the add-ons section, and I'm just about to go and upload those to the website. So you can see them there, and if you do feel like you need extra, there's certain bits from this kit that you can pay for and have added. I've also got some other add-ons as well, which I will show you in just a moment. I'm going to show you the papers from this month's kit. Oh, I've got these stickers around the wrong way. This is actually the DIY kit this month. It's not so much a kit. A few of you have said that you don't use the DIY kits. This month I'm trying something a little bit different. It's not a kit. It's actually some items that you can use on projects, and I've given you some hints on how they can be used, and there will be some tutorials coming up on the blog for you to see, but you can use them however you wish. This packet at the bottom is the papers. Really, really happy with these this month. You get 2 of each. They're A5 size. They're really lovely, sturdy quality. Love those clouds. I really do have a thing about clouds. And we've got stars, and we've got like wishy-washy paper. You've also got feathered paper, and there's a calendar for January 2019. And you've also got a weekly planner as well. We've also got these really nice to-do lists this month. And here's your, I call it an embellishment postcard. You can cut them out and use them on your projects. I think this is a really, really cool kit to get us started for the new year. It's so pretty and so dreamy, and I can't wait to start using mine. Now for the add-ons, let me show you what we've got. In case you missed my planner video, we are now doing planner inserts. I will link up that video below for you. You can actually now purchase an A5 planner kit. It's got everything that you need for the whole month, a sturdy dashboard with the year. You've got your January page there as well. You've also got, I've been filling mine in so you can see how they're used. You can see we've got like the important dates, the tasks, we've got mustn't forgets, we've got weekly plans, and then we go on to the weeks. There you can see, and we've got note paper, and then you've got your plans as well. I use mine for cleaning schedules, menus. You've got everything there that you need. They also come with a set of stickers. The whole kit here is $7.95. That's including delivery if you are in the UK. That includes the whole set here and the stickers. And I will link up these below. They are for sale as one-offs. The subscriptions are now open for the following month though. I will be showing you that kit soon. So if you're not a subscriber to this channel and you do love your planners and your monthly kits, please do subscribe so you don't miss anything. I will be selling the stickers on their own. I will link those up below as well. Actually, I'll link the whole add-ons section. So if you, for example, if you don't have an A5 planner but you like the kits, you can purchase the sticker sheets on their own. Everything will be in the add-ons section. I will leave that link for you below. We've also got a cloud stencil. This is a 6x6 stencil. This is not included in the kits. This is an add-on, so you can purchase that separately. They're $4.99. And then we've also got this stamp set, which you can also purchase as an add-on, and these are also $4.99. They will be in the add-on section. As well as that, we've got extra stickers, we've got the planner clips. If you are purchasing add-ons and you do not receive one of the monthly kits or the main monthly kit, there will be an additional postage charge of £1.50 to send your items to you. There is no additional postage charge if you receive the main monthly kit. And there is also this sheet of Christmas stickers which came in the Christmas cheer box, and they are also in the add-on section. And then if you receive both kits, you obviously will receive the perfect planner kit. You will have absolutely everything you need, from goodness knows how many stickers. You've got your inserts, you've got pen, you've got stamps, you've got your planner clip, you've got so many different bits and pieces to really make your planners look amazing this month and get on top of all your plans and goal setting and everything you need for 2019. All the links are below. Please leave me your comments. Let me know what you're thinking of all these changes lately. I would love to know if there's anything else that you think we could improve on. Again, leave your comments below. If you do like the look of this kit, please give me a thumbs up, and please do subscribe to my channel if you don't already. Everything is linked below, and I look forward to seeing you with some projects using this kit very, very soon. Thank you so much. I'll see you soon. Bye.